In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revert to a previous version in Airtable. Whether you've made a simple mistake or need to retrieve past data, knowing how to revert changes can be a real lifesaver in your workflow. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about undoing recent changes. If you find yourself wishing you could quickly backtrack on a few edits, this might be the easiest solution. On your keyboard, simply press Ctrl+Z if you're using Windows, or CMD+Z if you're on a Mac. This straightforward keystroke will undo your last action, moving you one step back to where things used to be just moments ago. It's important to note that this method is best for very recent edits made within your current session. The moment you close your browser or switch to another session, this simple undo feature no longer works. Keep this in mind as a quick fix option for those slip-of-the-finger mistakes. For those times when you need to delve deeper into a record's past, Airtable offers a more thorough solution. It's called Record Revision History, and it's perfect for when you want to examine changes to specific records individually. This feature allows you to see a chronological history of field values, so you can review and, if necessary, restore data to a previous state. To make use of this capability, you'll want to begin by opening the record in question. You can do this by simply clicking on the respective row in your Airtable base. Once you're examining the record, look for the Activity or Revision History section. This area of Airtable functions like a time machine for that individual record. You'll see a comprehensive list of past activity, detail by detail. Reviewing these entries enables you to see when each change was made and what the field values were during each of those moments. If you spot an older version that's more accurate or suitable for your current needs, you can manually copy or even restore those older values. This can be particularly handy if multiple users are collaborating on a base, as it helps keep track of changes and maintain accuracy over time. By understanding and utilizing these two features, you can effectively manage and, if necessary, walk back changes in your Airtable database. The undo shortcut keeps things manageable on a session-by-session basis, while the record revision history provides depth and accountability for individual records. So the next time you need to correct an error or retrace your steps, remember these tools are at your fingertips, simplifying the process of maintaining accuracy and control over your data in Airtable.